Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about rosemary. This plant here is old. I know what old feels like. But this guy here is old and needs to get reworked. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm taking cuttings off of it and I'm going to put it in a rooting hormone and I'm going to restart these plants. Now, rosemary does better when it's from a cutting rather than seed. They seem to grow faster. This guy here is about 12 years old. It's seen better days. We were pinching it back, using it for different recipes. And now it's time to rejuvenate the plant and then get everything going again. They're great for a hedge. They're very aromatic and they're very useful as a plant. So let's get started on this. What I have here is I started before I did 2, 4, 6, 12, 18 cuttings already, and I have room for a little more. And right here I have a bunch of cuttings that I just clipped off of here. And what you want to do is take the bottom leaves off, just pull down that growth off on these, and then let me move my camera down. Okay, this is the rooting hormone I'm using, and what we're going to do, let me pinch back a few more of these, get the outer leaves off, the bottom leaves. And what we do then is, in the rooting hormone, we just dip it in the hormone and place it in the soil, and that's all you need to do. And I used a chopstick here to make my little hole as that, like that. And then that's all I did was take the bottom leaves off, dip it in the rooting hormone, and place it in the soil and push it in a little bit. That's all there is to it. Dip the hormone, place it in the soil, and dip it. Stick it in the soil. I'm using the black gold germinating soil again, so you can see how much rooting hormone sticks to this. Then just place it in there, press it down, and then after you have all these done, you can just give it a little watering in, and you're good to go. Then you just have to wait and see what it's going to do. For me, it worked out pretty well last time, so I thought I'd share this information. The rooting hormone sticks to it. Place it into the soil and close up that soil. Here's another one. Took the leaves off, stick it in the soil after the rooting hormone, of course. So then you finish all these up. Very simple. Now, what do you do with the rest? What do you do with all these leaves that we took off? Like I said, they're very aromatic. So what I have here then is my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I took these leaves off of here, chopped them up into pieces, and put them in here. And this olive oil, this extra virgin olive oil, now has a very distinct flavor of rosemary. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it useful. And give me a like, subscribe, questions, anything like that. I'm here for you. And thanks for watching. Bye.